Be a new precedent that would destroy fair use. Guess what? Even when I jokingly prefaced it, every single one of those people that were in defense of Ethan Lawson turned around and started railing on me, saying, "Oh my God."
Oh,
What?
that bike just literally pulled out in front of that truck right there.
Oh,
You can't see him, but like,
What just happened?
She just got rear-ended. Oh no.
Save it. I bet you got it.
It's a bit outside of Raleigh, but that's all right with me. Frankly, getting out of town is probably a good idea. Soon, the strip malls and box stores and schools turn and subdivision entrances.
So I was waiting for the red light to turn green, and this guy started going towards me and boom, hit me from behind. I did exchange the information. Hopefully the insurance is gonna cover.
She's closing it.
Go past this light, then turn left.
Oh my god. He's running from the cop. Where'd the cop go?
I don't know.
Okay.
What the
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.